precision, durability, and American craftsmanship come together to create industry-leading ratchets at Matco Tools. These ratchets are designed and manufactured right here in the USA. Every Matco ratchet begins with innovative engineering. Our Matco engineers use advanced CAD software to design ratchets that deliver exceptional performance in the toughest conditions. The ratchets feature 88 precision gear teeth, producing a swing arc just over 4 degrees, allowing faster work in the tightest spaces. Next, raw steel is machined with exacting precision. Each ratchet component is crafted to meet tight tolerances, ensuring smooth operation and long-lasting durability. To maximize strength and wear resistance, all metal parts undergo a specialized heat treatment process. This hardens the components, giving Matco ratchets their legendary toughness. State-of-the-art robotic machine polishing and a vibratory finish ensure a smooth and consistent surface on each ratchet prior to chrome plating. Each ratchet receives a mirror-like chrome plating, providing corrosion resistance and a sleek professional finish. The soft grip handle is ergonomically designed for a firm, non-slip grip that conforms perfectly to your hand. This handle provides comfort and control, reducing fatigue during extended use. Finally, our ratchets are hand-assembled by skilled technicians. The unique 9-position locking flex head ensures the ratchet maintains its position under load, while the positive stop feature prevents over-travel or lockup during use. The slim, teardrop-shaped ratchet head allows access in the most compact spaces, making it the tool of choice for professionals. Every ratchet is laser marked with the Matco logo and part number, ensuring you receive a genuine USA-made product. Matco ratchets, precision engineered, ruggedly built, and proudly made in the USA. Designed for professionals who demand the best.